What's up guys, welcome to IQcodec to this new video tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your calls private in such a way that nobody can answer your call without your permission. So each time you receive a call you need to input the code before you answer it. So if it's our first on the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, the notification bell to stay tuned with the latest hacks and tricks on IQcodec. See you next after the intro. For today we are talking about privacy as I said in the intro. So we are going to need an application called IQcodec. So I'm going to provide the link in the description so you guys should not worry about that. So let us get right full into the user interface. So IQcodec is a cool app that actually protect your calls, incoming calls, so in such a way that nobody can answer those calls if you're not the one holding the phone or if you're not giving permission to the person to answer the call. So this is it. So the first thing here is the user interface of the app. The first thing you can see we have incoming call log, so just need to activate it. So you can see notification access is required to use incoming call log feature. So go to setting. All you need to do is to activate it, notification access on IQcodec. So activate it, allow. Okay, so once you are there, you can see we have a menu that actually shows how you can lock our calls. So we have pattern locks, 2-digit, 4-digit button mode, and call button mode. So for this I'm going to use the 4-digit lock mode. So feel free to use any of your choice, either the pattern. When somebody calls, the person uses the pattern to unlock 2 digits. I'm going to go in for the 4 digits. So let us test. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 5. Please again confirm 1, 2, 3, 5, and that is it. So click on the next. So you can see a little test is going to apply at this level. So answer a test call. So once you receive a call, this is what is going to happen. You don't need to click on 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, I answer the call. So it is done. So let us give it a test since I want to prove that this is actually working. So I'm going to give a test and actually call my mobile device and see what is going to happen if it's going to actually be locked. So if I call my phone, let us see what is going to happen if the app actually satisfies what it actually says. So let us wait for it to actually see what happens. So you can see here is a phone call. So you can see, for example, if it is a stranger that's holding your phone and the stranger wants to actually pick it, so you can see there's no button to pick up. So if you actually, so you can see he can't answer the phone since and until you actually input the code. So if I say 1, 2, 3 and press on the 5, and that is it. So I'm actually free now to answer the call. So now you actually answer or decline it. So that is that about the video tutorial. So I actually get you actually had the proof. So let me prove it once more. Let me take for the instance that you are not the one holding the phone, it's the stranger, because if a stranger don't know their phone, if a stranger don't know the code, so let us dial right now and take for instance that it is a stranger that's holding your phone and see what will happen if you actually try to answer it. Let us see what the app is going to do. So taking for instance that it's a stranger that's holding the phone, if he actually tries to answer, you can see if he swipe, what is going to happen. So you can see he can't even swipe up to see the phone to answer. So all that will happen is that the person calling you actually need to end the call at a certain level because he can't answer it. So there's no possibility of answering the phone. That is it. So all what you do is that you come on your phone, you see a missed call and you try to call the person back. So that is that about the video. So I hope it was actually proven, and please, if you love the video tutorial, please give a thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, share with your family members, and actually thank you all for following this channel up. So bye, see you in my next video tutorial. Have a nice day. It was Fabrice on IQcodec.